This is how to hard reset, factory reset. This is the Cricket Icon 4. Looks like this with the rectangle camera and flash sensor. It says Cricket at the bottom. And this is how we hard reset it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up first, power next. It's going to vibrate. It's going to bring up Android or Cricket logo, Android. And then let go with power, but keep holding volume up. Keep holding, keep holding. And let go as soon as the no command fallen Android shows up. At the fallen Android no command, hold down power, quick touch volume up, hold down power, quick touch volume up, brings up the Android recovery menu for this Cricket Icon 4. So with volume keys now, I'm going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, press OK with power, power. Wipe all user data, this cannot be undone. Confirm that you want to factory data reset, scroll down once with volume, press OK with power. And we can wait down here for the data wipe to be complete. It could take just a few seconds like this or a couple minutes depending on how much you used your phone. And now press power to reboot the system. It is now safe to do that. Keep in mind that if you've turned on your Icon 4 with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% need to log in with your Google or Gmail account, especially if you've turned on the feature in here called Find My Device. All right, if this has helped you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.